it's for everybody. I mean, the good thing about welding is, again, it's like if you want to be a welder or an artist or just a hobbyist, we got a program for that.
I plan to get an associate's in welding, and I plan to get a degree in mechanical engineering and just use the welding stuff on the side.
My goal is to be an agriculture teacher, and through that I do want to teach welding. I find that teaching for me on something I already know how to do, it's very graceful in a way.
The job I am hoping to get is a nuclear welder. So it'll be like boil making, missile tubes, and stuff like that.
When you come through like the welding program that we have, associate's degree or certificate, it opens up doors maybe like in maintenance or a fab tech. You know, like certain companies have maintenance divisions. There is a lot of jobs around our area. They can get out and leave this school, especially it's great to have associate's degree, and they'll be easy to employ as a welder.
I would say that you should just go and do it. It seems intimidating at first. It was for me at first too, but the teacher's a pretty good guy and it's a pretty good class.
It gave me a lot more opportunity with the stick welding, TIG welding, and MIG welding.
Whenever people say, oh, like, you know how to weld, that's very cool. Like, that's something, it's a conversation piece, it's a life skill, something you can take and use the rest of your life. I
want kids to succeed, and where welding will have somebody, it'll give you a field where you can succeed, you know, where you can get a house, you can live and prosper. Welding will be your ticket.
Southeastern Illinois College, succeed, inspire, connect.